How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you a very tasty yet very easy to make restaurant style instant Rava Dosa. It's so easy to make that you even if you don't have much time, it will be done in an instant. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to check out other yummy breakfast recipes available on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now let's go and make and enjoy this yummy dosa. So let's see how to mix the batter for instant rava dosa, restaurant style rava dosa. We are taking 1 cup of rava or suji and we are adding half cup of maida, half cup of rice flour, salt to taste, and we are going to add half cup of yogurt. I'm just using the water in the yogurt. If you want, you can use the yogurt too, but I'm just using the water in the yogurt. You can also add like 1 cup of yogurt, like how much suji you'll take, that much yogurt you can add. If you like the tangy flavor, I'm just going to add half cup of yogurt. Now we'll mix this batter as thin as possible. It should be like a buttermilk batter. I'll mix and then show you. Look how thin the batter is. This is how it's supposed to be, and it's ready to make the dosas. You can add finely chopped chilies, onions and coriander to it. I'll add after I make the dosa for the kids. You can't spread it, so when you are putting, you need to put it like lacy. I'll show you. So let's make some dosa. Now that kids have eaten, so let's add our everything should be finely chopped into the rava dosa, otherwise rava dosa won't crisp up. So you can add it to the pan when you're making the dosa or mix in the batter. I like to mix in the batter. I'm adding onions, coriander, ginger and green chilies. I like mine little bit spicy, so I'm adding a little bit more green chilies. But if you don't want it, just reduce the amount or don't add at all. It will still taste good. And let's add everything and mix. See, when you let the batter sit for a few minutes, water will come up and the rava will settle into the bottom. So you need to mix nicely so that we have everything together. And pan should be really hot when you are making this batter. Otherwise, you won't get the crispy rava dosas like you want. So let the pan heat up nice hot and then we'll put on our dosa. Look at that onions and chilies. I love it. So let's make dosa now. Let's see if the pan is hot enough. See how hot the pan is. It should be really hot. So we'll put in 1 teaspoon of oil. This is optional, but it will give nice crispiness to your dosa. So that's why I like to do it. If you don't want to do it, that's fine. Just rub all over the pan so that the pan is nice and oily. And now it's time to put our dosa. Mix it once and just let it drop. Just like this. Look at that. It will come out nice and lacy at the same time. It's not too thin. That's how I like it. If you like it thin, then put more water and make it more watery. Then you'll get it nice lacy dosa. But this is what I like, so this is how I am doing. It won't spread, guys, so you need to spread it. Look at that. It's nice and crispy. Put 1 teaspoon of oil and let it fry until it browns up from the bottom and then we'll turn it. Until that time, let it fry. Look how nicely it crisped up and browned up. It's ready to be turned. Be slow and turn it. You can directly fold it and serve it, but I like to put it once on the other side so that it will be a little bit crispy, not too crispy at the same time, not too soggy either. So let's turn it. Look how beautifully it crisped up and turned out. It needs a minute or two on the other side. If you don't like to put it on the other side, just fold it and serve it. It will taste just delicious, but I like to fry it maybe 1 or 2 minutes on the other side, and then I will serve it. I'm serving with yummy peanut chutney today. So let's serve this yummy dosa. Fold it and put it in the plate. Look at that deliciousness. Do try it and let me know how it worked for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share if you like my videos. And if you have any requests for me for any kind of video, leave me a comment and I will definitely try to do that video. Thank you so much. Bye.